All right, to make the hole bigger, I'm going to be using a Greenlee hydraulic pump. I've got it all set up here. The disadvantage of using an older Greenlee is that as soon as you touch it, you're instantly covered with hydraulic grease, but that's a small price to pay for what we're going to get here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one side of this guy and run this through it, and then we'll take the other side, put it on the other side of this door, screw it on here, and what we should get up, or we should end up with, is the ability to pull this pin through. So this pin will retract back here, and it'll pull this cutting edge through this hole, and we'll have a nice, super clean hole. Now there's a fair amount of talk about why drill a hole to make another hole. This is just a way to make a nice, clean hole. Super fun if you are nerdy about doing things, quote, the right way, which I'm sure someone can argue that I am not doing this the right way. But in any event, this is what we're doing. So this guy comes up here. There's going to be a third hand that is going to be necessary for this particular operation. Might have to get my Bucky shirt a little bit dirty. And then we're going to screw this guy on and get it nice and snug. All right, feels pretty good there. Well, maybe we can get it a little bit. I don't know. That's going to be okay. And then we'll close the valve here, and we will just start pumping. I don't know if you saw, but that thing just tightened up really nicely. Click there, and we have a nice clean hole. So pretty cool way to use an old but badass tool. Rock and roll.